Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today, I don't know how many people are gonna actually watch this because the last time I did a car video, no one really liked it, or no one ever like clicked on it. But I need to do this stuff anyway, so I thought I'd record it for some of your guys' help. If you guys do want to see more of this car, I'm gonna be making more videos on this. It's my project car. Me personally, I see it as a project car. So I'm deep cleaning it right now because right now I don't have the money to be fixing the things that need to be fixed. I already extracted the carpets once and already vacuumed and threw out all the trash and stuff like that after I bought it. But I still get this like faint smell. It's either from me not letting it dry properly during the extraction or after the extraction, or something's just like underneath the carpet. So today I'm gonna be taking the carpet out of the car, and to do that, I'm gonna be taking the seats out. I'm gonna take out the center console. I'm gonna take out the rest of the back seats. I never put the back seat back in, the bottom of the back seat back in, but I'm gonna be deep cleaning this thing like crazy. So to start, there is airbag connections underneath the seat. So to avoid an airbag light or them accidentally going off, I'm disconnecting the battery. I'm just giving you guys pre-steps right now because I'm going to be time-lapsing this kind of, so that way it goes by faster. So I took off both sides just in case. I know you usually take off the negative, but I'm taking off both just in case. Obviously, bad struts. This is a common thing. Like 20 bucks off Amazon, but I'm not fixing them yet. And then for the seats, underneath here and on the other side, and then same thing on the side right here and on the other side in the back. It's going to be 14mm bolts. You need to take those out, and then you'll be able to lift the seat up, and you'll see the connections that are underneath. I don't know how well it's going to show, but there's connections underneath. And then that's the seats, and then after that, the center console should be pretty easy. There's a screw right here, and then the rest are like clips pretty much. Same thing on the other side. I'm just gonna lift this up and it'll reveal the carpet, and then same thing over here. I don't see any screws, so it should just pop right out. It's actually part of the dash, but I need to separate it from the carpet, and there's clips underneath. And then same thing right here. This is all clips, so you're gonna lift up and then you're gonna pull out that way. If I remember correctly, I did this with my last Q. It's a little bit rough for me, but also for the sides, you're gonna undo this plastic piece and you're gonna pop this part out a little bit, and then that'll relieve the carpet from the edges. You're gonna do that for all 4 doors. And that's about it for now. I'm gonna go ahead and time-lapse this so that way you guys don't have to watch me do it. That's just the gist. If I see anything change, I'll let you guys know. Oh, by the way, I found my old carpets. So I have the original carpets right here. I'm gonna be extracting them. They're a little padded. They've been in storage for like, I don't know, 3 years. So I need to extract those. I'm gonna be putting those back in. And then I found some old floor mats that I just had laying around, like some AutoZone ones. I'm gonna be throwing those in on top of those just to preserve them even longer. And yeah, let's get started. Alright, rookie mistake, but I forgot to move the seats around to unbolt the seats, so don't forget to do that. It's all good now, everything's unplugged, or everything is disconnected from the battery. I'm gonna undo the connections for the airbag and the electric motors for the seats. And the seats, as you can see, they're already done. This is what the connections look like underneath the seat. So you got this plug for the electric motors, and this is the airbag. Anything with yellow connections is an airbag, for future reference if you're working on a car. But I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect those because I need 2 hands. It's gonna be a screw right here, a screw right here. This part literally just popped up, but once I take these 2 out, then it's gonna come out completely. So you're gonna have to move the shifter, and since the battery's out and I don't want to connect it with the airbag disconnected, you can stick a key or a screwdriver in the shift lock. It'll release the shifter and you can put it into neutral, and then this part just goes around it. There's a plug right here. Two screws go right here. One goes right here, one goes right here. Boom. So what I've done now, I took the seatbelt bolt out. I pulled this away from the wall. They're just clips. I pulled the door piece off so it lifts up, and then it'll just follow along. This piece goes right here. As you can see, it's just two clips right there. They're really hard clips, so I'm gonna use some force. Then towards the back, there's a little plastic bolt or nut. Looks like this. You can twist this by hand. Don't break it. And that's pretty much the driver's side. Should be able to come all out on this side, at least for the driver front. Now I need to do the back driver and then do the passenger side. Man, it's hot. It's about 83 degrees outside right now. It's probably even hotter inside the car. But I gotta do this carpet. I mean, it don't look too bad, but I really want to deep clean this car. Ooh, the breeze feels nice. So the back won't be as hard as the front because with taking the back seat out, this is already exposed. So really you just need to undo this, and then the back is ready to come out too. To take out the back seat, mine's already taken out, but underneath the seat right here, there's this little tab, and you pull it and it'll release the latch, and then you just lift up at the same time. Same thing on the other side, and then after that, it just slides right out. It's really easy. I thought it was complicated before, but it's not. Yeah, there's some stuff hiding underneath here. Alright, so this is why I'm taking this out. Look at that. That's gross. But I'm gonna be scrubbing it down with soap and everything, so. I feel like I'm supposed to be doing something right here, but I don't think this piece wants to come out because it looks like the whole dashboard is right there. So I don't know how I'm gonna squeeze it back in. Maybe a screwdriver to push it back in, because the carpet does go up right here, all along it. Probably for about a foot. Nice. Not too bad. Oh, you also have to take off the foot pedal thing, the rest. And to do that, I thought there was a screw here, but there's not. Alright. Nissan was clever with this one. This is actually a little plate, and you can stick a screwdriver or whatever from the side right here. Comes off and it exposes those two screws. I think that's different from my 97 I had. They are 10 millimeter. Wow, almost broke that. Ew. Right here is a plastic screw clip thing. I hate these. You can't just push them back in either, because then they mess up the threads. That's also holding down the carpet right there. There's another one right here, another plastic clip right here. Alright. Alright guys, so a little update. Driver's side is completely ready to be pulled out. All I did was take out the stepper thing right there, which is right, where did it go? this thing. So this top pad looking thing is actually a pop out. So you stick a screwdriver on the side, reveals 2 nuts. Take that out, and then same thing for the driver thing. It has a bolt on it, it's clearly visible, not hidden. And for the carpet to come out, I don't know how I'm gonna get it back in honestly, but you have to cut the carpet. It's connected in the middle right here, and there's no other way to take it out unless you want to take out all this stuff. And then same thing in the middle, there's another piece right here. You just need to cut it and it'll split apart. And that's it. So the driver's side's ready. Now I'm gonna get to the passenger side. Shouldn't be as hard. If anything, I think it's actually ready. I don't think there's anything holding it. I need to take out that side panel right there. I need to take out the door sills on both the front and the back. It should be ready to pull out. Alright, so the difference with this one, it has the same thing back here, but someone removed it last time, and there's a screw up top. In order to get that screw, you gotta take out this bottom panel. I'm gonna leave this off anyways because I gotta change the cabin air filter. But you can see it's just a pull back, so pull that way towards you, straight back. This will drop down. This is another airbag connection, and it'll review the screw right there. Getting tongue-tied because I'm dehydrated, but that should be it for the passenger side. Let's see. Okay. Yep, that's it. Cool. Well, I'm gonna pull this carpet out and I'll get back to you guys. All right. I don't know what they spilled here, but it is a really old car anyways. All this black stuff is probably soda or something, I don't know. But it tore the foam out because the foam was stuck to the ground over there. I'm just gonna leave the foam there because I don't know how to replace that. But I'm gonna get this into the garage, deep clean it, and now you guys know how to take out the carpet. So finally done after I don't know, that probably only took like 30 minutes, an hour maybe, I don't know. But it's not as hard as I thought it was gonna be. It might be harder remembering where every screw goes, but luckily I have this documented so I can just look back at it. So I'm gonna get to cleaning that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna do the cabin air filter video next. I'm not gonna replace it because I don't have the filter. It's actually hard to find the filter, but I'm gonna get that, and for now I'm just gonna take it out because the air conditioning doesn't work anyways, so it's better to breathe in direct air rather than dirty filtered air. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that apart, and you guys will see that in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hope it was helpful to you guys, and I know there's no videos on YouTube about it, on how to take this carpet out. This is kind of the general taking out the carpet for cars, so if it's not a Q45, it might help you for other cars also. Obviously screws are gonna be in different places, but you get the idea. It's not that hard. It's a little scary thinking about it, but it's not that hard. All right, well, I'll see you guys next time. As always, keep it cruising.
And there she goes, heart that